This is Snigdha here with you, and we are at Rare Patisserie, and along with us, going to introduce you to someone very special and who has a passion for baking lovely cakes, wedding cakes, birthday cake, pastries, chocolates, which is our favorite, and that is Anshul Sapra.
Hi, I'm Anshul Sapra, the founder and owner of Rare Patisserie in Pune.
We would like to ask Anshul, exactly, can you give us an idea, when did you start this outlet of yours here and how many do you have?
So we started the brand Rare Patisserie back in September of 2019. So this September we'll be completing 5 years. And for the first couple of years, we just had our Kalyani Nagar store. And the Koregaon Park store we've opened about 2 years ago. So this September will be 2 years. So our KP store is our retail outlet where we have all of our ready to take away stuff, whether it be our brownies, our cupcakes, our tarts, our ice creams, our trail mixes. Our Kalyani Nagar store is our kitchen. It's our cloud kitchen where we make everything. We also do a lot of corporate meetings there. We do a lot of hamper deciding decoration things there. We do personalized meetings there, and that's our kitchen. But Koregaon Park is our retail front. We do a lot of different things. We do cakes, cupcakes, brownies. We specialize in customized cakes. So if you're looking for something for a birthday, an anniversary, a wedding, right from single tier to 2, 3 tier, we've got you covered for everything. We also do a lot of corporate gifting and hampers. So we have our entire packaging wall. We customize it for you within your price range. So if you come to us and say you have a budget of 1,000 or 1,500, we can customize a hamper for you in that range, whether it's 1 piece or 10,000 pieces. We've got you covered.
If you can give us an idea, what's your price range, like least and most?
Okay, so if you walk into our store, the cheapest thing that you could buy is a mini cupcake for 40 rupees. So that's the least expenditure that you would have to do. And going up to, when it comes to hampers, we usually curate it within your price range. So we've done hampers in 1,000, 1,500, 2,000 during special gifting season, especially Diwali. We've even done some beautiful corporate hampers for 5,000 a piece, 10,000 a piece. So it really depends on what you would like. In terms of our cake range, our customized cakes usually start at around 1,200, 1,500 for half a kg, and 1 kg is around 2,200, 2,400 depending on the design, the flavor, the work that goes into the cake as well. Customized cakes, we mean
a wedding cake?
A decoration cake. So
A wedding cake would
not come in. In terms of wedding cakes, if you're looking at a 2-tier cake, they would start at around 4,800, 5,000. 3-tier cake would be 10, 12, 15,000 depending on the design, the flavor, the work that goes into it. But for a half kg customized cake that maybe you would need for an anniversary celebration, a birthday celebration, that would usually start in terms of a designer cake at a half kg would be around 1,200, 1,500 is what you're looking at.
So you only take orders, you bake only on orders.
So we do
you don't have
have
something which somebody could just walk in and say, okay, I like this cake, I like this cake, I like it.
Absolutely. So when our designer cakes are concerned, we never keep them ready because each design is customized according to what the client wants and the occasion. Because one might come in for a little girl's birthday while one might come in for a 50th birthday for her dad. So it could be a very different variety. So where the customized or designer cakes, like we call them, are concerned, they're only and only made on order. And that has to be ordered at least a couple of days in advance.
Right.
The more time you give us, the more we can customize and work with you on that space. As far as ready cakes are concerned, we do have some ready cakes at our Koregaon Park store only. Usually a chocolate flavored cake that we keep ready, along with all the other goodies like the tarts, the brownies, the cookies that we do. But any other flavor we usually take on a pre-order.
So what would a cake start at?
So the quarter kg cakes, which are 250 grams, they start at 380 for quarter kg in different flavors. Half kg starts at around 760.
And where's your outlet in Koregaon Park?
Our Koregaon Park store is right next to the petrol pump and St. Lawn Hotel. So right between the two, there's a building called Jewel Square. We're on the ground floor. We are a very pretty green and pink space that you cannot miss when you're driving by. Traffic is terrible these days, so stop by, run in and out to get something if you'd like. There's a big cycle outside. There are a lot of potted plants. You cannot miss us.
That's what happened
Yes.
with us. Outlets, right? So you have a Kalyani Nagar outlet.
Yes. So Kalyani Nagar is our cloud kitchen where everything is made and we do client meetings. and you can pick up a pre-order. But any ready stuff that you need is at our KP store.
Where are you planning to take this? What is your aspirations for your store?
So definitely we would like to do a third outlet soon enough. We're also going to get into teaching. We've already started with workshops where me as well as my girls, we take classes and we do workshops right from any age group. We even do them for corporates. So we recently did an event with the GST Bhavan in Pune, where we had 35 amazing GST officers of us who came to us to learn how to bake, and we went to them, we set it up, and we did it as a Women's Day special. So all the men in the department baked for the women. That was again breaking the glass ceiling concept, and we do a lot of workshops like that, whether it be for kids, whether it be for adults. Another outlet, and of course teaching and expanding and growing is definitely what we look at, being part of all your celebrations, whether it be your kid's first birthday, your first anniversary, or your wedding. We love being part of all of the occasions.
इसके अंदर हम चॉकलेट पैकेट ऐड कर सकते हैं. ये ट्रेल मिक्सेस होते हैं हमारे पास, तो ये 2 छोटे बॉक्सेस के अंदर हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. ये हमारे पास रेडी हैम्पर्स भी होते हैं. ब्लू मार्बल बॉक्स है, इसका प्राइस आपको 150 जाएगा. अगर आपको इसमें कुछ ऐड करना है तो वो एडिशनल होगा. ये ट्रेल मिक्सेस होते हैं हमारे पास, तो ये 2 छोटे बॉक्सेस के अंदर हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. इसका प्राइस है 250 एंड इसका 350.
So, what do you do for fun?
What do I do for fun is great. I love binge watching anything on Netflix, a good drama show, a good thriller. I love dancing. I'm a very social person, so I love meeting new people, interacting with new people. Yeah, definitely travel. Travel is my life. So I absolutely love traveling.
So, how often do you travel?
Often as I can, but at least twice a year or 3 times a year. I think it just helps open the mind up. And
So, where do you travel to?
it could be anything from a random day trip to a close by spot, Mulshi Pana. Right now the weather is beautiful.
Correct.
Or try and go internationally whenever possible. I was just in Portugal recently.
Do you travel to update yourself on the kind of thing you are doing? Like you're into baking. And
Absolutely. So I think it's a very nice break in terms of a vacation. Mainly that's the main goal. But of course, seeing a new culture, interacting with new people, seeing their kind of cuisine, and trying to bring a little bit of that into us, into our world. Learning from the leaders in those spots in terms of visiting their bakeries, their most famous patisseries. Seeing that, it's all opening up your mind. And
so, any workshops? Have you done any workshops?
I actually studied internationally, so I studied at the Culinary Institute of America in New York, which was a 2-year degree program. Yes, and then I worked in New York City for a year. So that's my educational background in this industry. But I've also done a gelato course from Carpigiani Gelato University in Italy. So I was in Bologna for a month as well. So that as well added up to my education.
So, you've been updating yourself on a
Absolutely, we
regular
have to. I mean, in any industry, learning never stops, growth never stops. So we do try and keep ourselves as updated as possible and try and bring back that to teach others as well.
Do you have any kind of collab with the hotels, the 5-star hotels?
We do have collabs that we do with wedding planners, because we do a lot of wedding cakes. We do that in terms of helping them, design the perfect cake for their clients. Because every time we do a wedding cake, it often has to match the decor of the event,
Absolutely.
or the bride's clothes, or the
Absolutely,
groom's clothes. So we
yeah.
keep all of that in mind, and we do a lot of, in that sense, work.
What's your plan now? The future? What's the next 5 years that you're looking at?
We're looking at doing another outlet, classes as mentioned. That's kind of the growth space that we're in, and of course doing a lot more corporate. We're doing introducing new packaging as well, customizable stuff to make the brand feel more you. So if you come to us as a corporate and you want your logo on certain things, we can always work on that with you. So things like that.
So, that was nice. That was good flow. We got a lot of ideas. We got an insight into what Aanchal does. It's been a pleasure, Aanchal. We visited your store. I think it's doing good. It's looking great. It's beautiful. Very easy on the eye. as we
Thank you.
say.
I'm so glad you stopped
we would
by.
like to wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
From Just for Fun India with Aanchal Sapra and Smita and Satish Kalvika.
Thank you.
Money that can buy your way out. Go ahead and try it. 'Cause you had, don't try.